Welcome to Carter's Eat. We're in the slow cooker today, and we've got turkey wings, small and big. So the big are going in the crock pot, the small are going in the pan. 2 in 1, you guys, 2 in 1. We're lining both the pan and the crock pot with onions. And of course, my go-to Dale seasoning. If this is your first time here, be sure to thumbs it up. This will be a quick one, you guys, but I, of course, do dinner every night. But these turkey wings, I wanted to give a shot in the slow cooker and using some gravy mix. I thought I had onion soup mix, but I'm out. So we're going with gravy mix. You guys, do this recipe. These were stupid good. I put these turkey wings on at 290 for 3 to 4 hours, and then added 1 cup of water, and the gravy bubbles up off of the gravy mix that's on the wings. 1/2 a teaspoon of each of the seasonings that I'm showing in this video. You guys, kudos was given from the kids and from Arthur, and I was delivering Carter sauce, so I could not get a picture of the turkey wings as Mima, Papa, and Arthur dug in to eat them. So forgive the last shot. It's what's left for us for dinner. But you guys, get that Dale seasoning, use your crock pot, and be sure you thumbs it up, share the video, subscribe. Adobo, Lawrys, olive oil, Himalayan salt, and Tajin. Gotta use some olive oil in the crock pot. Oh, that's good. That looks good. Oh, wow. How did he like that one? Thank you, sir. Just for about 5 minutes, just to get them a little soft. Stick of butter, because we're not making as many as Mama Ray Ray. We're gonna do a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Alright. I'm going in with a few shakes of ground cinnamon. That's like 1/8, less than half a teaspoon. Some ground nutmeg, about 1/8. Usually we use orange juice. I don't have any, so I'm going with Perms, just a smidget. Mama Ray Ray used ground ginger and a little bit of sugar, and we're going to get those yams cut up and be out the door. About 1/8, a little less than a half a teaspoon. We'll stir this all up. I'm going to do a tablespoon of sugar. And we're going to stir. I'm going to come with 1 tablespoon of water. A little less than that. It won't be the whole cup. That's about half a teaspoon of water. Here, taste it. There you go. Okay, I forgot 2 capfuls of vanilla. 1, 2. All right. Thank you, Mama Ray Ray. I just had to double check the recipe. 2 capfuls of vanilla. We're going to stir, bring it back up a smidget, just a smidget, because mine already sat for 5 minutes. Ooh. I got a lot of brown sugar and less white sugar because we have diabetics in the house. This isn't for them, it's for me, Mom, myself, and the kids. And that's why I made a lesser amount than Mama Ray Ray. Okay, we're about to pour it over the yams. We're going to let it sit for just a second and come together, okay? Thank you, Mama Ray Ray. And her famous words, voila! They're nice and thick as instructed by Mama Ray Ray. We're going to cover ours with foil because we're in a bit of a rush. All right, there's that C, there's that C, there's that C, there's that C. Eckhart is eat. Be sure you subscribe. There we go. Okay, mine's not as thick as Mama Ray Ray's because I use less sugar and less butter. Remember, we got some health challenges over the yams. Sorry. almost like a syrup. Hers is more like a thick. I'm gonna stir it up. Put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Hold on. Okay. Move it around just a little bit so it all cooks together. And it should bubble up. I'm gonna put it in foil. Slosh it around some more. Y'all can smell it. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna get these in the oven. Have to cover it again now. Press for time, so in order to cook them faster, you can wrap them up. Got my baked chicken in there already. Leftover rice. Do that in 20 minutes while I go put the kids in the tub. We'll be back in just a minute. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh. Ooh. They're soft. Oh. I don't want them from. Oh. A little watery than I would have liked. I bet that glaze on there will taste delicious. Sit down in there a little bit. See how soft it is? See how soft? Probably can extend it being a little bit longer. They're beautiful. Okay.
Girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Man, you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me, all eyes on the prize. Money supersized, G5 super fly, should be supervised. Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky. Keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind. Spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.